Sir, can you help me? It's cold and I'm nowhere to sleep. Is there somewhere you can tell me? He walks on, doesn't look back. He pretends he can't hear her. Starts to whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Think about it. She calls out to the man on the street.
Yung isa hindi. Bakit naka... Buti alam mo yung kanan kaliwa doon. Sir. Ang kabanayang kasama ako.
Bakit? Bakit kaya?
Pangit yung kasama mo. Pangit ang kasama. Sabi ko sa mga,
Bad, nilalamig ako.
bahala ka. Ayaw nito ng hangin talaga. Ayaw, hindi nag-electric ng kahit sa bahay. Buksan ko pa nga yung aircon. Mag-away kami.